Today, we'll talk about Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman's learning method. The Feynman technique. Simply put, this technique allows you to truly understand complex information. So, how can we explain it scientifically? Let's take a step-by-step look. The Feynman technique consists of 4 basic steps. Choose a topic. Decide on the topic you want to learn. For example, photosynthesis or Newton's laws of motion. Explain it in simple terms. Write or explain the topic as if you were explaining it to a 12-year-old. This helps your brain understand the information by simplifying it. Identify knowledge gaps. The points where you get stuck while explaining are the areas you don't fully understand. You need to review these points. Review and simplify. After filling in the gaps, simplify your explanation further and use analogies. From a scientific perspective, this technique creates active learning and a feedback loop. Our brains grasp information better when we produce and express it rather than passively reading it. Why does it work? Memory and learning. The Feynman technique transfers information from short-term memory to long-term memory. The brain reinforces information by teaching it rather than just reading it. Deep learning. Explaining a topic by simplifying it facilitates the transition from superficial knowledge to deep understanding. This is one of the scientifically proven ways of learning. Identifying mistakes. The points where you get stuck reveal where your brain doesn't understand or has misunderstood. This optimizes the learning cycle. In summary, the Feynman technique perfectly aligns with how our brain processes and structures information. Practical example. Let's say you're learning quantum physics. First, select the basic concepts. Wave-particle duality. Then explain this to a friend or on paper in simple language. Mark the points you don't understand or get stuck on and study them again. Finally, add examples and analogies to fully grasp the topic. You can use this method in every field, from mathematics to biology, philosophy to programming. To summarize briefly, the Feynman technique simplifies learning, deepens it, and makes it permanent. It actively engages your brain, enables you to generate knowledge, and reveals your gaps. Remember, the best way to learn is to teach.